That's the amount that Ashley saved. And then the amount that Morgan saved was $96. So based off of the question that the word problem is asking me, it says that what is the total amount of money collected? So this lets me know that I need to add to figure out the total amount that is collected. So I'm going to add up my $127 plus my $96. When I look at my ones place, I have 7 ones plus 6 ones. That gives me 13 ones. So I'm going to put the 3 from 13 under my ones place and the 1, 10 on top of my tens place to carry it, because I want all of my place values to stay the same or to be aligned. So I'm going to make a 10. I have 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So that's 12 tens, which is the same as 120. So I'll put my 2 and my 2 tens here, and then my 100 I'll carry over to the hundreds place. Now I have 100 plus 100 equals 200. So the total amount of money saved is $223. So now I need to look at my answer choices to see which ones match. So I look at choice A, and it says that 127 plus 96 equals 233. But when I match that with the math I've done, I see that it's incorrect because it was $223. So I know that A is not correct. Next I'm going to look at B. I have 100 plus 20 plus 90 plus 7 plus 6 equals 223. Now 223 is the same answer that I have, but this looks a lot different than what I did with my math here. So what's happening in part B, I see, is that they've grouped up all of the place values together to add. And this is another strategy that we can use so that adding is a little easier for us because we're grouping up our place values. So I'll show that example here. I'll move it up a little. If I had 127 plus 96, I can group up my place values and add that way. So I have 100 here. There's no 100 here, so that'll go alone. Next, I'll add my tens. So I have 2 tens, which equals 20, and I have 9 tens, which equals 90. There. And then last, I'll do my ones. I have 7 ones and 6 ones. So 7 and 6 there. And when I add that together, I'll bring down my 100 plus 20 plus 90 gives me 110. Plus 7 plus 6 gives me 13. And I see that's 200. Then I have my tens, 2 tens. And then last my ones from the 13. So it still gives me the same answer. It's a little longer, but it helps me to see the place value and what it means in the number sentence. So B would be the correct answer. When I look at C, the sum here is 133, and I've shown 2 times in my math that that is incorrect. And then here, that's 221, and also from my math, I see that that is incorrect. So my choice would be B. I'm done.